Christ consciousness is the same as Buddha consciousness? Hmm. It's a very intriguing question. Well, from the point of view of CosmoEnergy, the energy of Christ and the energy of Buddha having slightly different qualities, right? So we have both of the frequencies of Jesus and Buddha in the Buddhist block. Don't ask me why it's called Buddhist block then. um, both of them are very high frequencies, and both of them are very elevating for the human beings, not only human beings, but actually from the perspective of planetary body and collective consciousness. I would not say that it is the same, because Christ is not Jesus, right? But Jesus had a Christ consciousness. Buddha was also a person. If to answer the question from the perspective of CosmoEnergy, they are different.